So the stator plate, there's a mark there that says 251cc, and I'm pretty certain it's wrong. It needs to be on this mark here, so I've got to make a little adjustment on that. Just move it off, and I think the marking's about right then after that, by strobing it at a later date. That's it, yeah, that's about right. And that other marking, pretty much spot on. So the flywheel, the advantage of the flywheel is it's a one-piece housing, so there's no rivets to come loose. It's still built on the basic same state of design as the IDM one, but this isn't IDM manufacture. There's a ring on it, and it's got T5 like fins, but they also do an aluminium version as well that's supposed to be better. But this is what I'm running on my one. That's it.